S&P 500. In the last video when the price was here, we say we're expecting for the downtrend. When I draw like this, I say what we are interested if we get the price from there to this low, but we didn't have the trade set up. Even I mentioned the price can go higher, even there is a possibility the price go for break this top. But what we say we are expecting to get the downtrend. Okay, as we can see, we didn't get any downtrend. The price go higher and break the top, and now it's correcting. Now we want to see. We have two options here. The first one, maybe this is a correction for one move up, and this move up we see how high it can go, whether they break the top or not. Then from there we can get the downtrend if we can get. Then the second one is maybe the price from here continue go and go lower. That means this move will be similar to what we have here. If we get this kind of the correction, maybe we cannot get whether very good trade setup. What we can get is all short term trade setup. In this case, we just follow the market and we see how we can get the trade, whether from the we go up, then look for the downtrend, or this one can correct and go lower. In this case, we just leave it for the today. We don't have any trade setup for the today, and next week we will get the confirmation how we can trade it. In this case, we just move to the 1 hour chart. Alright, just some update, because when the in my last video when the price exactly was here, I mentioned that we are looking for the downtrend, but even I say anyone is interested in the buy, I give the option. The first option, the price sharp and give a flag, which we didn't get. The second option was having a tree above this. Okay, at that time the price was exactly here. When we have this kind, then that's mean here we didn't get the sharp move up, the price correcting and come lower. Okay, as I say, we were when the price was here. I say for the buy we can have entry above this, but when we see the price correcting, go on lower and lower, then having entry above this is not valid. In this case, the entry is supposed to be moved to here or here. Alright, because as we can see, the price correct and lower, and this gap is too high to having entry. The times I recommend to have entry above this, the price only was here. Okay, this is for the buy. I hope those traders they could manage it. For the sell, here there was no sell setup. The only sell setup was here. All right, anyone could take it. But when they have this kind of the small flag sell, they short move down. When they see this kind of the correction 2 to 4 hours, they should take out. Having a sell below this one is not good, because when we see this kind of the move, if we go back, we see how it's correcting. When we can see this kind of the deep correction and the slow correction, this means that there is a possibility for the uptrend. This means for the sell, just update should be here, and after having this correction for there's almost around 6 to 10 hours, they should take out. And the buy, what we were expecting was here because of this small move, but when we see it's correct more, then the buy setup should be either here or here. Alright, just some I give a details about how we could trade for the last, based on my last video when the price was here. Again, what we are interested and we were interested was a downtrend, and now we don't have any trade setup, and we will see whether from next week the price can continue to go lower and whether it can go higher or not. And in this case, after the market close on weekends, we will try to analyze the whole chart based on the different time frame. Then we will update you in the group. Thanks.